Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to TechDeva. In this video I will show you how to convert or use a pendrive as a temporary RAM drive. So before getting into the video, if you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and click on all for instant notifications of my latest videos. So first, insert an empty or less space used pendrive and have a backup for the files in the pendrive. Now right click on the pendrive and go to the properties. In the properties, click on the Ready Boost tab. Here untick the default do not use this device and tick the use this device and choose the space to be used as a RAM drive. And do not maximize the total space of the pen drive. Better to choose half or below half of the pen drive space. After choosing the space for the temporary RAM, click on apply and give OK. Here you can see that the 8GB space is being reserved to use as a temporary RAM drive. Now you can use this converted RAM drive to play games, editing of pics and videos, using softwares and so on. But this temporary RAM drive can't give you the original speed of the real RAM drives. And guys, don't eject the pen drive or switch off your laptop or PC directly, because if you eject or switch off your PC, majority chances your pen drive can get corrupted. And this is the warning you get when you try to eject your USB drive. So after using your temporary RAM drive, right click on the USB drive and go to the properties. Once again in the properties, click on the Ready Boost tab and tick the do not use this device and apply these changes, and then eject your USB drive. And guys, restart your PC after every use of your temporary RAM drive, or else your PC may get slow if you don't restart. So that's it guys, thanks for watching my video. If this video was useful, hit a like, share, subscribe and comment.